Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your meal to the MyFitnessPal application to keep track of your daily calorie intake. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the diary button down below, which is the second option. Then scroll down and select the relevant meal, such as breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Or you can also indicate your daily snacks. So tap on the add food button. And after that, you should select a food. You can either type in the name of it into the search bar at the top. So type it in, and here you can search from the results. Tap on the plus icon if you have found the one that you have eaten, and basically that's it. If you go back by the help of this arrow in the upper left corner of the screen, you can see how it is indicated in the lunch section, and you can also see that the calorie has been added to your daily calorie intake. And if you tap on it, you are going to see it in a chart, and that's how you can keep track of your calorie intake. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.